The Cannabis company, Vertical, plans to go public and list its shares on the NASDAQ. Smoke Wallin is with us. He's the president and CEO of Vertical Wellness. Okay, so you're also merging with somebody else today, aren't you?
Yeah, so in our cannabis business, which is separate from the CBD business, we are actually in the midst of an acquisition, which will put us in the top 5 in the whole industry.
In terms of total
brands
revenue,
and distribution, and
the cannabis THC
side of the business, and it's really about brands and distribution. I mentioned on the break, but we met at Seagram Family Association. I was an old liquor distributor, and the whole game there is I could deliver 350 cases on a truck or 150 cases on a truck, and still hit the same number of stops because it's the drive time between things. So it's all about scale and filling up your truck. So
you are going public very soon.
Yeah. So we're going to
date.
Well, we're going to complete this transaction, and that'll put us in the top echelon of THC brands and businesses, and then we'll do an RTO, which is a reverse takeover in the CSE, on the Canadian Stock Exchange, because we have to on the cannabis side, we only can list in Canada.
Now you're a vertically integrated company, as your name suggests.
Exactly.
You've got the THC side of the business, which gets you high. You've got the CBD side of the business, which is medicinal. I put it to you, the CBD thing. I know you're laughing. You know what's coming. CBD is a bubble. It doesn't do much for you, does it? And as soon as THC comes along and it's recreationally okay nationwide, who's going to go for CBD, which does nothing for you?
Actually, Stuart, I respectfully disagree, but I've been taking this is CBD, this is no THC, this is Taos, and I've been taking these for the last year. And I'm an old wrestler from Cornell, and used to take Advil and ibuprofen all the time.
Right.
And I've literally eliminated 90% of my need for doing that with CBD. So it is extremely promising. There's lots of studies coming out, and it's a big part of growth. And look, you have a lot of people on this show, and they're all managing a slow growth business or a declining business. In this case, it's explosive growth. And it's one of the most exciting things I've ever seen. I mean, I think since Prohibition was repealed, there's never been a bigger growth opportunity, and that was a long time ago.
Okay, but the big news today is you are going public at some point in the future, and people will have an opportunity to buy into yet another cannabis company, and you're merging with another brand name leader.
Absolutely, we're putting 2 big companies together, and it's going to give us a lot of scale in the biggest market in the world, California. 5th largest economy, and it's huge in terms of cannabis.
So wait a second. Back in the 90s, you were at Seagram's, the liquor business.
Yes.
Now, fast forward 20 years, and you're in the marijuana business.
Yes,
because you're in the mood changer business.
Well, I wasn't around when Prohibition was repealed, so there wasn't. I didn't get to own Seagram. This time I get to have a seat at the table. I think it's a little more fun.
Well, Smoke Wallin, thank you very much for being with us today. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Sure thing.